M33 Max drone with screen operation tutorial. Open the packaging box. Remove the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Remove the insulation sticker. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. The LED light flashes during charging. The LED light stays on when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. The indicator light displays blue during charging. Pre-flight preparation. Install the remote control joystick. Remove the protective film. Extend the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Install the memory card. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold to turn on the drone power. Then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control will automatically sync with the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with the joystick. Push the left joystick up to unlock the drone. Then push up again to take off. 1 button takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Left side flight. Fly right. Flip the switch on the upper left corner of the remote control to switch the drone's lights. Flip the switch on the upper right corner of the remote control to adjust the camera angle. Press the left joystick to switch speeds. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Press the right joystick and then flip the switch on the right joystick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Enable obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop flying when it encounters an obstacle. Enable fine-tuning mode. If the drone drifts to the left, adjust to the right. If it drifts forward, adjust backward. Exit fine-tuning mode. Press briefly to enable headless mode. The drone will use the remote control direction as the backward direction. Press again to disable headless mode. Hold the backward button to automatically reverse. 1 button landing. Press the photo button briefly to take a photo. Press the recording button briefly to start recording. Press again to save the recording. Press briefly to adjust screen brightness. Press the function button briefly to view saved photos and videos. Press the return button briefly to go back to the video transmission screen. Replace the propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller screws and remove the propellers. Note the A-B markings. Install the corresponding propellers.